Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm an exercise physiologist. Currently, I'm working as an MA in an internal med doc's office. Um, just recently, I was in cardiac rehab, and I was doing that for almost 8 years. I was also a personal trainer for a little bit. I really like working with people and feeling like I'm helping and improving their health. So I'm actually looking at applying to some PA programs this upcoming summer. So I'm gearing up for that. I live in Colorado, which is a great place. We love to hike. If I can get the screen. There it is. So this is my view from work, Rocky Mountains. Um, I'm also a big Broncos fan, even though they're not doing so hot right now. That's okay. Still fun to watch most times. I have a dog. Her name's Zuki, short for zucchini. She's very sweet, little mixed pup. And here she is as a princess. My husband and I like to hike a lot, so I have a picture of us here on our most recent 14er. So 14er is 14,000 foot elevation peaks, and we have 52 of them in Colorado. I've got a couple under my belt, so we're looking to add a couple more in the next coming years. This picture here, though, is in Spain. We did a 2-month hike across Spain called the Camino de Santiago. It's an awesome experience. I'd recommend it to anybody who's thinking about it. Also big travelers, so our most recent trips were Japan, New Zealand, China. This is Petra in Jordan. Here's us again in Jordan. And this one here is just a view from the top of a peak in New Zealand, which was pretty amazing. Also, one of our favorite places we've been. So, anyway, that's pretty much me. I'm excited to get started with this semester and excited to meet you all.